Hello everyone. Today we learn about an example of profit maximization. Okay. Okay. If a TV manufacturing company has three plants A, B, C, which manufacture two main products 14-inch black and white TV, 19-inch black and white TV with a demand 450 and 1050 units. A company is planning to manufacture 19-inch color TV having the demand 600 units. The selling price of 14-inch black and white, 19-inch black and white and 19-inch color is 15,250, 19,150 and 21,950 respectively. The variable cost at three plants for each product is given below. Okay, this is the variable cost. This is, and the supply is given. Demand is given, but it is indirectly given in the question. So you have to write demand here 450, here this is 450, 1050, and for color TV it is 600. So when you solve the example, you have to write the demand. Okay, do allocation for product and plant such that company can have maximum profit. Okay, so first of all, solution. Formulating the problem in tabular form, it is required to develop contribution matrix. Okay, this is the variable matrix. So first of all, we have to convert into contribution matrix and then converting matrix into relative cost matrix. Okay, so first of all, we have to convert this matrix in converting matrix. Okay, to develop contribution matrix, we deduct selling price of each product from their variable cost of different plants. Okay, so for plant A and 14-inch black and white TV. Okay, now for plant A, what is for plant A? For plant A and 14-inch black and white TV. Now what is the cost? This is okay, the selling price of 14-inch black and white TV. 14-inch black and white TV is what? 15,250. So subtract this amount from that 15,215. So 15,250 minus 8,000 minus 7,500 minus 8,100. Okay, so we get the contribution cost. Similarly, for here means 19-inch black and white TV, what is the cost? That is 19,150. So subtract this all three amounts from 19,150. So we get the contribution matrix of this. Similarly, for that we subtract 21,950. Okay, all three cost will be subtract from this 21,950. So we get the contribution matrix. Why we do that? Because the given matrix is of variable cost. Okay, so this is for plant A and 14-inch black and white TV contribution 15,250 minus 8,000. So it is 7,250. For plant B 14-inch black and white TV 15,250 minus 79,050. So it is 7,300. And for C 15,250 minus 8,100. So it is 7,150. Okay. Similarly, for plant B, for plant A and 19-inch black and white TV. Okay, means 19-inch black and white TV, it is 19,150. Okay, for 19-inch black and white TV, the cost is selling price is 19,150. Okay, so we subtract all the three amount from 19,150. So what we get? This one. 19,150 minus 8,500, 19,150 minus 8,600, 19,150 minus 8,450. So what we get? This, and this is the contribution. Similarly, for 19-inch color TV, the selling price is 19,000 color TV. The selling price is 21,950. Okay, so we subtract all the three amounts from 21,950. We get 12,700, 12,750, 12,650. Okay, this is the contribution price. Okay, so now we construct a contribution matrix, that is 14-inch black and white TV, 19-inch black and white TV, 19-inch color TV. Supply is same, plants is A, B, C. Then for that, what is this? 7,250, 7,300 and 7,150. Okay, so we write here this. Now for 19-inch black and white TV, it is 10,650, 10,550, 10,700. Okay, so this is for 19-inch black and white TV. Similarly, for 19-inch color TV, it is 12,700, 12,750, 12,650. And so the demand is 450, 1,050 and 600 as given in the question. Okay, so this is our transportation matrix for profit maximization. Okay, the given in question, given do allocation for product and plants such that company have this maximum profit. So this is the transportation matrix of maximization. Okay, so first of all we have to convert this maximization matrix into minimization form. Okay, so we can convert it by minimization form, minimization by two method. First one is multiply -1 in this, means each and every cell will be multiplied with -1. Otherwise we subtract the maximum profit from all other cell. Okay, so हम second वाला जो है वो use करेंगे. For that we have to check which is the maximum price. Okay, 7,000. Okay, 10, 10, 10. 12,700, 12,750, 12,650. So this one is maximum. Okay, 12,750. Okay, so 12,750 ये जो सारी सेल है, ओके, उसको हम लोग 12,750 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो 7,250 is subtracted from 12,750. Okay, so all amount will be subtracted from this amount. Okay, so the revised matrix is of minimization type. Okay, now this contribution matrix is of maximization profit, and we have to convert this contribution matrix into relative cost matrix by subtracting maximum value from all the cells. Here the maximum value is 12,750. So subtracting all values from this highest value, we get the following matrix. Okay, 1200 7,050 में से हम सब वैल्यू उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. सो व्हाट वी गेट this matrix, and this is our actual transportation problem of minimization type. Okay, so now we यूज़ वाम मेथड, NWCM मेथड और LCM मेथड. ओके, इसके ऊपर हम लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं तीनों में से कोई भी एक मेथड. बट एज वी नो दैट द वाम मेथड इज मोर एक्यूरेट एंड द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट इज मिनिमम फॉर वाम मेथड. सो वी यूज वाम मेथड इन दिस transportation problem. So find basic feasible solution by WAM. Okay, as you all know that how to apply WAM method, we direct allocate the value, that is 450, 350, 600 and 700. Okay, this is our allocation. Now here we get the basic feasible solution, but as we know that if it is optimal or not, so we have to check the optimality test. Okay, for that we have to check the condition, what, m plus n minus 1. Okay, the degeneracy check. This condition is also known as Rehm condition. Okay, this condition is also known as Rehm condition. So for checking the solution of optimality, total number of allocations is here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and total number of m plus n minus 1 is m is 3, n is also 3, and minus 1, so 3 plus 3 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so here total number of allocation is less than m plus n minus 1, so the solution is degenerate. So we have to solve the degeneracy. How can we solve the degeneracy? We allocate an infinitesimal value, that is called epsilon, in independent least cost cell. Okay, इंडिपेंडेंट लिस्ट कॉस्ट सेल. सो सबसे ज़्यादा मिनिमम कॉस्ट वाला सेल होना चाहिए, अनऑक्यूपाइड सेल, और it doesn't create any closed loop. Okay, so we allocate there. Here a 19-inch color TV, this is a 19-inch color TV. Okay, so 50 is the least cost cell. Okay, so यहाँ से हम लोग अगर इसको अलोकेट करें तो क्लोज लूप जनरेट करें, तो यहाँ से हम लोग यहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद कहीं पे भी जा नहीं सकते, तो क्लोज लूप जनरेट नहीं हो रही है. यहाँ से यहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, उसके बाद यहाँ पे जा सकते हैं, फिर भी क्लोज लूप जनरेट नहीं हो रही है. सो हियर दिस 50 इज सेटिस्फाई बोथ द कंडीशंस. ओके, सो वी अलोकेट हियर एप्सिलॉन. So this is the allocation epsilon. Okay, now number of allocation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and total number of m plus n minus 1 is m is 1, 2 and 3, n is 1, 2 and 3, minus 1. So 3 plus 3 minus 1 is also 5. So here the solution is non-degenerate. Okay, now we are going for optimality. Now for optimality we use Modi method. Now for the use of Modi method, we first of all find the value of ui and vj. Now how we find the value of ui and vj? So ui and vj is find for occupied cell. Okay, occupied cell, and the formula is Cij is equal to ui plus vj. Okay, again we find the value of Cij, uij and vj. We have first of all write the allocated cell. So 5500, 2100, 50, 2050 and 0. Now in which row or column has maximum allocation? So first row A has maximum allocation, so write here 0. Okay, when you write here 0, deduct from 0 5500. So 5500 minus 0 is equal to 5500. 2100 minus 0 is 2100. 50 minus 0 is 50. Okay, so Cij minus ui is equal to vj. Cij minus ui is equal to vj. Cij minus ui is equal to vj. Got it? Now by the use of this vj we have to find the another ui. Okay, so by the use of these two element, 2500 2050 minus 2100, what we get? minus 50. एंड हियर इसको फाइंड करने की हम लोग इसमें से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 0 minus 50 is equal to minus 50. So we get ui and vj. Now we find dij. How we find dij? So add this ui and vj. 5500 plus 0. So 5500 plus 0 is 5500. 5500 minus 5500. So here we get 0. Similarly here 2100 plus 0 is 2100, and subtract this amount from this. So 2100 minus 2100. So again we get 0. Similarly here also we get 0. Sorry. For dij we have to find the dij for unoccupied cell. So first of all we write the unoccupied cell value. Okay, this is the unoccupied cell 5500. This is the unoccupied cell cost. Now here this is our vj and this is our ui. So 5500 minus 50, this is 5500 minus 50 is 5450. So 5450 minus 5450, that is 0. Similarly here the addition of both this 2100 minus 50 is 2050. Now 2200 minus 2050 is plus 150. Similarly here ये दोनों का एडिशन करना है, जो भी आंसर आएगा उसको 5600 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो वी गेट प्लस 150. सिमिलरली हियर ये दोनों का एडिशन करना है, 50 माइनस 50 दैट इज 0, 100 में से 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो वी गेट प्लस 100. ओके, यहाँ पे जो हमने DIJ फाइंड किए, ऑल DIJ इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो द करंट सॉल्यूशन इज ऑप्टिमल. Therefore, the total cost 7,000. Total cost is now. How to find total cost? Okay, so what is our actual total cost matrix? Means what is our contribution matrix? Okay. Here this is 5,550 into 450, but it is the minimization type of matrix. This matrix is of minimization type. Okay, so what is our maximization type matrix? This one is our maximization type matrix. So we here it is 450, so 7,250 into 450. Now second allocation is here, so 1,650 into this. Second allocation is there, so it is this. Okay, 7,250 into 450, 10,650 into what? 350. देन 0 की जगह पे यहाँ पे कितना है? 12,750. तो 12,750 इंटू 60. एंड सिमिलरली हियर 10,700 and 700 into 700. So this is okay. So the final answer is 2,21,30,000 rupees. Okay, this is our total transportation cost. It is, are you understand?